too late. Ah. Mm. No, bye. Bye. See you later. How is everyone doing? I want cookies. Who has cookies? I want cookies. Okay. What you do that for? Sorry. Okay. Yeah, but what I was saying, if you want cookies, go get cookies yourself. Okay? Come on, Jackson. Jackson, Zack. Okay. And Jackson, who's Jackson? Jackson! Come on, we need to go get cookies. It doesn't make sense that we can. Yeah, it doesn't make a lot of sense, okay? Bye, we're going to get cookies. Don't you need a good guard the door? Come on. Again, where last? You are coming with me. We're guarding the door. Would you mind if you could go out and get some stuff for me? Yeah, yeet! Are you gonna come out? Yeah, come in! Come on, guys, let's go! Yay! Hey, can you help us find cookies? How do you not know what the cookies are? Okay, well, I don't know what's going on right now. Oh, come on. They're just doing errands and also the jobs and Jackson are looking for cookies. Yeah, so, we're here alone. I don't need, well, I say alone. So, well, technically we're not really alone, but we're alone at a castle. Yeah. What game are we playing? I don't know. Hey, there's a balloon here. Do you think? Yeah, I want to play with it. No. We don't know where it came from. Okay? Yeah, I don't care. I'm gonna touch it. Come on. I'll balloon. Guys, what's going on? I don't know. I thought we were playing a game. Yeah, but I think they touched something that, did something. Okay, let's see. I think they're just sleeping. Okay? So, yeah. We are going to play. And tag. Okay, we're going to play tag. Not that violently. Ow. Ready? One! I don't need a one. I can be invisible. Hey, Betsy, go! I don't know, just don't worry about it. Just get someone else. Yeah. Why you can't get me? You broke it on the mic. Okay, are you sure about that? Yeah, right. Okay. I got you. Oh, I'm over here. I'm over here. Okay, I'm gonna get you now. I'm over. No, I'm over there. What? I'm here. Where are you? Where? Now you're up there. What? 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 Okay, yeah, I'm going to get someone else. You better. Wait, we can talk about that. Where did she go? I'm over here. Okay, so, yeah, I'm here. Hey, you! No, 5 feet! Hey, ow! Never mind, I'm not gonna, ow! Water, where's the water? Water. Hi, Kim. What's going on? I just defeated one by leading them into fire that kind of followed me. Yeah, because she's probably the dumbest one. Okay, we're gonna stay here. And you go get Rainbow. Please, we need to meet up with the others. Yeah, because when she is smart and she wants to drop into the fire, then we need to figure the plan. Okay? Okay. Yes. Okay, now you're trapped. Hey. Hi. You get bucket. Hi, excuse me, I'm over here. Okay, you get bucket. I'm over here. Okay. Oh my God. Teleport. Boom. Boom. Water. Hello, Kim. Boom. Oh, hi, Kim. What is you here? What game are we playing? That was not nice. What happened? Hey, over here. Okay, what's this? Okay. Do you wanna come save the day with me? Yes, you're ready with you. I'm going. Oh, no, everybody quick. What is going on over here? I don't know what. What is going You're all gonna die. See the Mr. Covered in the book. Hey, guys. Hey, guys. Yeah. I feel to die. What? Where am I? Guys, please! Mom!
Hi.
Wee! Boom! And why is everybody coming on the bed? What is going on here? Boom! Seriously, what is going on here? What's your fault? That's seriously what is going on here? You're asking way too many questions.
Wait, no. Oh my God, why?
Stop doing that. Yes, sir. Fine. Never. And then this moment, at least has respect. Mine does. Mine? Yeah. I can go through a wall. Why, you never stopping, please.
No, I won't.